Bună! Bine ai venit la secțiunea practică a lecției 1. Hi! Welcome to the practice section of lesson 1. In this section, we will have more pronunciation exercises. As only listening to the words won't be enough, I made sure I left enough space between words to allow you to pronounce them yourself. Only by listening to your voice, you will be able to make the difference between what you think you are saying and what you are actually saying. Feel free to practice in your car when going to or from work, while you are working out, jogging, or to listen the file while you are falling asleep. Some say information will still stick to your brain this way. Listening and hopefully repeating the words will have a twofold advantage. Apart from the obvious one, namely getting familiar with the pronunciation of some words, you will also learn new vocabulary. Remember that Romanian doesn't have written accents to help you with emphasis, as some other languages do, so you will have to learn each word with its own accent. Don't worry, it's not that hard. Let's begin. Să începem. A începe. A învăța. A înnota. A cânta. Cântec. Câine. Exercițiu. Exemplar. A minți. Țară. Hoț. Brățară. A se îmbogăți. Plombă. A se îmbarca. Dâmbovița. A schimba. A compune. Lampă. A completa. Practică. Ceață. Gheață. Pe mine mă cheamă Bună dimineața! Bună ziua! Bună seara! Noapte bună! Poftă bună! Mulțumesc! Cu plăcere! For more details about these greetings, go to Lesson 1, Practice 2. You may have noticed that there are almost no rules when emphasizing a word. And indeed, the number of rules equals the number of exceptions, so generally the easier way is to just learn each word with its own pronunciation. Just have in mind that in most words ending in a consonant or in a, where a is not a definite article, the emphasis lies on the final syllable, like in these examples. Afgan, ocean, oraș, român, România, tradus, a educa, a mânca. This concludes Lesson 1, Practice 1 section. For more exercises and details about Romanian greetings, go to Lesson 1, Practice 2. I hope you liked it. Till next time, pa-pa. Bye-bye.